Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 File Explorer search not working. First method is right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Select Search, click End Task. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Search and Indexing. Check search or indexing is slow, click Next. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Windows Update. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.